guys, it's Louise. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to create one of Lady Gaga's makeup looks on her new music video, Rain on Me. So if you want to see me create this look, then keep on watching. So before we start the makeup, we want to make sure that our skin is primed and ready. I'm using my old-time favorite EX1 Cosmetics Invisiwear Liquid Foundation in number 8. It just matches my skin perfectly. After applying my foundation with a brush, I'm going over with a beauty sponge just to blend everything seamlessly. Then I'm applying my highlighting concealer on the high points of my face. I'm using a dot of a lighter concealer underneath my eyes to brighten my eye area a bit more. And now I'm just blending everything seamlessly. And now I'm sculpting my face using the Fenty Beauty Matchsticks in Mocha. Yeah, snatch that nose, honey. I'm blending my nose contour carefully and outwards to remove any harsh line. Now I'm applying the Mercier translucent powder to set all the areas where I applied my highlighting concealer. Technically this is baking, but I'm not gonna leave it for too long. I'm just gonna apply my bronzer and then I'm gonna dust it off. For the cheeks, I'm using the Multi Glow and the Pop Blush and I'm blending it seamlessly with my bronzer. For the highlighter, I'm using the new Illamasqua Beyond Liquid Highlighter in Days. Just look at that glow. Before I apply any eyeshadow, I like applying an eyeshadow primer because it adds longevity to the eye makeup. Now I'm lightly dusting the shade Tempera from the Soft Glam palette. And now I'm gonna outline the bold eyeshadow using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Lip Palette in the shade White. So first you want to outline the area where you're going to place your eyeshadow. And then you're gonna connect the dots. And then fill in the rest of the area. And since we're working with cream, we want to blend everything before we set it. Don't be afraid to take your time in perfecting your lines. I'm extending the white eyeliner on the inner corners of my eyes to accentuate the cat eye. And then I'm using a black eyeliner to reinforce the shape. And now I'm doing the same with the other eye. I just want to make sure that everything is symmetrical. So before I set everything with a white eyeshadow, I just want to blend everything once again to make sure that there are no creases. And now I'm lightly patting the white eyeshadow on top of the cream product. To highlight my brow bone, I'm using the shade Pink Me from the Be Perfect Cosmetics Carnival XL Pro palette. Using a black eyeliner, I'm defining the shape of my eyes and giving it a bit of a lift by drawing a baby wing. I'm applying the shade Rustic to add some depth to my lower lashes. Just doing my final touches by blending my eyeshadow a bit more. And now I'm outlining the shape of my lips using the MUA Academy Lip Liner in Obsession. Then I'm applying the Sunny's Face Lip Tip in Terracotta on the middle part of my lips. So it creates an ombre to my lips. And to add some shine to the lips, I'm using the Kiko Milano 3D Hydro Lip Gloss in Chestnut. Spritz a bit of setting spray and we're done. So that's it. Thank you for watching, guys, and if you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and consider subscribing to my channel. So see you next time. Bye.